Hello, hello everyone. This is Viraj Deshmukh. Welcome to our video series of Open Road Designer. Today's our topic is creating alignment using Civil Accudraw. Before we move further, I would like to introduce myself. Myself Viraj Deshmukh from Capricorn Technologies, working as a solution specialist in roads and railways. Uh, now coming to now coming to Capricorn Technologies. What is Capricorn Technologies? What we do? We have global partnership with US CAD, CADline, A2K, and Capricorn from India. We have a base head office in Delhi for India. Apart from Delhi, we are also available at Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Jaipur. So moving further to our today's video series, what we are going to learn in this video series is Accudraw. It is a tool available in Open Roads Designer, which is very helpful in designing horizontal alignment as well as vertical alignment with a designed intent and an intelligent elements. Today we are going to cover this topics: how to create horizontal alignment and vertical alignment using civil Accudraw, and we further will understand more apart from this alignment design where we can use the civil Accudraw. So now we will switch to our software. Now I will assume that you are having basic knowledge of this software and basic knowledge of highway designing. So we'll move further. In this say screen, you can see I have attached my three files, which is one is terrain file, another one is geometry corridor file of this main alignment, and the geometric file in which we are now. So these two file I have attached, and now I will, as you know, on this main line we have assigner corridor also. So now we will create alignment for this section, right side section. Let's call it as y road, and this is a x road. So x road is having corridor, so we need to draw y alignment and apply corridor on y alignment. So using Accudraw. So first I will display off this uh, because it will create nuisance in my. I love the display. Then we'll see that this alignment is fully established, and all the chainage and everything is there in this alignment. So let's go further. Before that, I would like to annotate this alignment. The reason I'm annotating this alignment is because I want XY road should start from specific chainage only. So that's why I want this alignment to be annotated. So I have annotated this element. As this is an element, this is not a model. So I'm annotating this. As you all see, you can see here, this alignment is now annotated. So why I have annotated this alignment, you will understand in a little bit. So now I want my alignment to start from this chainage 411, and we'll continue from 411 above this level, and we'll join it here. So we'll go in geometry. I'll toggle it on the civil Accudraw command. I'll attach it here. I'll make it on. So what it does, like if now I have, if I, let's say I have off this civil Accudraw. Now I'm using a simple line command. So now you can see there is nothing in with my cursor except a notification saying enter start point. But if I toggle on the civil Accudraw and then I use this command, then you can see something is there, offset, offset, or something. These are the other tools which we can use in in our plan view. Like distance and direction related to plan and related to 2D only we can do here. Whenever we'll move in profile view, the options in civil Accudraw will automatically get changed. That also will seen for further moment. So distance and direction again unlinked. Then again distance. If you want something to be attached with some distance, so you can use this command. If you want something to be get relation with other element, one element, then with a distance and direction command, then we will use this. So now if we are using distance, then we'll use distance and direction, something like that. Station or chainage. So here station and offset. So I'll use this station and offset, let's say. So using the tab key, we can move up and down. So when we come in station tab, so we'll press O, capital O or small O, doesn't matter, alphabetical O. Then we'll select a reference element as I want to give a station of which element. That's why I annotated this element. So this element. Now I'll press 411 plus 00 because I want my alignment to get started from there. And as you can see, before station, a lock sign has been introduced. Now you can see my alignment has been locked. The station has been locked, but not offset. I can move further, I can move backward. So now I want from here to start from that point only. So I'll give 0 offset. So it will, you can see that both the points has been locked at a one location. Then if I give a data point or I'll press left key anywhere, it will start my line creation of my line from that point only. Now further moving, there is option distance or lines bearing or something like that. Then you can, if you are having knowledge of site or having knowledge of alignment, how to give an alignment, uh, if you have surveyed the site, then you can directly put a distance, or else we can give a directions also. Now we have given the start point of the this line. Now we have to enter last point of this line. For that I will use something else. I'll use x and y because let's say I know the latitude and longitude of this end point, or where from up to where I should go on a straight line or a curved line. So let's say my x is 28368 95, and I'll press tab, then the value is locked, and then we move forward for y value 128 60 59. Again that value is locked. Now you can see, if I move my cursor, the location is locked here. So I data point my this command, and then you will see. Now you can see our alignment has been established, but it's a match line. The feature definition given is match line, so we'll change the feature definition to geometric baseline. Now you can see our alignment has been established. The start of our alignment has been established. Now I'll de-annotate this. I'll remove annotation from this alignment because my annotation work has been done. Further, we'll create curves. We'll create line in this alignment using our various geometrics tools. So again, line. Now this time we'll not use Accudraw or something like that. So we'll toggle it off from here. Now I want to start my next alignment from here only. As you can see, now there are two things, distance and bearing. Distance and bearing. Suppose if you know distance, you can put distance. If you know bearing, you can put bearing, or else you can put both. The distance is 5025, let's say. Tab. Just remember, tab is the key to lock the value which we have given as an input. So the bearing is, if you know the bearing, if you know the site well, then you can give bearing. I know, that's why I am giving it, just to show you the intent. What I am saying about design intent and intelligent graphics is will be proven now. So enter. And now you can see our alignment has been fixed. Just I need to give a data point, left click here, and the alignment is again fixed. Now we'll create a curve between these two lines using our arc element, arc between elements, simple arc. You can give various arcs, spiral arc or spiral arc spiral, but we'll give a simple arc. So radius is locked already here. You can see. So I can put my radius, let's say 2875. The radius of this curve, you can see. Enter. Now data point and trim and extend both. Yes. Now we'll create an arc from element. We'll use this command, arc from element. Again, simple arc from element. As you can see, this is a single element. Uh, Everything will create this on this alignment. It will be a single element. This is a single linear element. This is a curve element. Again, this is a linear element. Now we'll give a curve. So you with in my cursor, you can see with my cursor, locate element at complex or complex element. For to select complex element, you need to press alter, or to select just an element, you can directly select it. So it is not a complex alignment. So it is a simple alignment. So we'll start it. The start distance is this. Now you can see it's asking me for a radius. So we'll give a radius of let's say 2425. Enter. And the radius has been logged now. As you can see, wherever I'll move my cursor, the radius is fixed. So I'll give a data point, left click to accept that. And now it's asking me to give a length, arc length. What should be the arc length? Let's say 1550. I want to give an arc length. So now arc length is fixed. So left click, and again, you can see our alignment has been created. Now we'll complex this alignment using a complex geometry. In this way, we can use this civil Accudraw tool using another different element XX or station offset, or apart from the delta station. If there is no station, I want to presume that there is a station, or delta station, you can say it. So delta station and offset. So this all can be seen from here. As you can see, if now we are in plan view to or 2D view, the options which we are getting after toggling on the civil Accudraw are different. Now, if I'll go in profile view, you can see the option get changes. It get reference with the software knows that where we are and what we want to create. So as you can see, I have opened the profile view of this alignment. This is my profile view. So we'll create a profile view of this alignment, and now I am in this view. So now you can see all the parameters are changed. Now it's respect to Z axis also, as we are creating profile. So basically in MX, if you are familiar with MX or Civil 3D, so this plane view is X, this view is X and Z view, this view is Y and Z view, as you can see, or this is X and Y view, and this is Y or Z view. So the now here the depth or the Z view also come into picture. So the options after toggling on is Z, delta Z, profile offset, slope profile. So if I want to maintain a distance above this ground level to certain value, so I can do something like that. Let's do, and this is the line which is showing the base of the culvert. Actually, it is not a secondary road or something like that. It is a this point is denoting that there is a culvert at this location whose base or baseline or whose base is this. And this line is also having some elevation. As you can see, I'm opening it in other view. So let's toggle off for some time. So as you can see, I have opened the profile view of this alignment. So this alignment, this perpendicular or crossing our main alignment is culvert. So it is having some elevation of 7300. You can see of length 1421 above this ground level. And we want to create our the profile of our this alignment maintaining a distance of 25 meter above this level. So first of all, what we will do, we'll do a intersection point where our alignment is intersecting this point. We'll get that point here. From here we can easily recognize that there is a culvert here, or there is something like that, minor bridge or major bridge, that it's creating a V shape. So we can identify. But in case if we can't identify, then we have a good tool, very best suited tool for this function is profile creation, profile intersection tool. We'll just ask this alignment and then this alignment, and then right, then you can see there is a point is established. It is showing that this alignment is intersecting to this alignment at this location, at this elevation. And we are in profile view. As we go in profile view, we got to know automatically that in of which alignments profile view, or of which horizontal alignments profile view you are present currently we are in this. So we need to create an alignment from here like this, and at this location it should maintain a 25 or 20 meter or some whatever you needed, a distance of 20-25 meter. And whenever the level of this alignment gets changed, the level of this alignment of our main alignment also get changed. So let's draw. I'll draw simply two lines using horizontal tool. Just to show you how civil Accudraw is useful in creating horizontal alignment and in creating vertical alignment. So again, we are in this profile view. We'll toggle on the civil Accudraw. Now, what we could use, I have drawn a line just to show you, because at this location I need a curve, or else you can give a line also. Line is simple, whereas I'm showing you the complex thing, curve. After seeing this, you can do yourself by line using a line command also. So I need a curve here, which is connecting in a relationship with this point. So if this point's elevation get changed, this curve's elevation also get changed with respect to this, maintaining a specific distance, whatever we have given. Now we'll provide a curve between elements, simple parabolic curve. Nothing is there with my cursor. It's asked me to select first point, then second element. Now you can see with my cursor, there is a station and DZ, because I have chosen DZ from here. If I want a delta Z, I want to create a delta ground for this profile. So as I told you, using tab key, you can move up and down. So as I move in station, I'll select this as my reference point. Sorry, the curve has been established in the wrong way. I'll undo quickly, and I'll repeat the step once again. So sorry for the interference. So we'll establish a curve here in between these two elements. First element, then the second element. As you can see with my cursor, there's a station and DZ option. Because I have selected this DZ option while toggling on the civil Accudraw. Now I will, using my tab key, I'll go on the station tab, then I'll press O and I'll select the station. I'm not entering it anything. I'm just making a relationship with each other, so that if anything change, so it should maintain a relationship with each other. Again, I'll tab key and then I'll go to DZ, then press O, letter O, then again left click to data point. And now you can see my delta ground has been created. The civil Accudraw, the purple color circle is now fixed at that location. So that is our zero. That point is our zero. And as I'll move further, so it will maintain a distance of 10, 20, whatever we want. So now I'll toggle, I'll give a chainage of 59, let's say 59.30, 59 plus 31. And then I'll give it the distance of sorry, height of 15, let's say 15 meters. I want to maintain a distance of 15. So now you can see the curve has been established of above 15-meter height from this uh, point at chain age 59.31. I'll give a data point, left click, then trim and extend both. Now you can see I'll toggle off the civil Accudraw. Now you can see this curve is having a relationship with that particular point, which is the elevation of this culvert or this line, and having a maintaining a depth of 15-meter. So now, as you can see, the relationship has been established. Now I'll open the profile view of this alignment. Let's say it's an alignment of culvert. So I'll open it in fifth view, earlier view. As you can see, its elevation is 7300, and I'll change this elevation to 7320. Enter. So now, as you can see in this view also, the point has moved up. The curve is maintaining a distance of 15-meter with this point. Wherever this point will move, above that, our road alignment will maintain a distance or depth of 15-meter above that point. So this is the very helpful key civil Accudraw to draw profile view or to draw plan view. Thank you for watching the video. For any further assistance in technical or regarding the software, you can reach out to us on the address given on your screen, or you can reach out to me on given website or given email ID and mobile number. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you once again.